Wow, what a beautiful girl. Yes, she's too beautiful. Neme, my God, how are you? Young lady, how you doing? Wow, you are too beautiful. Do you live here? Wow, my goodness, what's your name? What's your name? Can I know your name?
Sarah.
Sarah. Oh my goodness, Sarah in the Bible. Oh, you look so cute, man. I am Chris. I'm from Nigeria, Igbo man. I love you, my baby. You are from Ghana. You are too sweet. Is that your car? Wow, you look good. I'm from Ghana so much. Asma from Ghana, you are too beautiful.
My favorite Nanya.
Yeah, from Ghana. Say it again.
I'm from Latanya.
Oh yo, Afro Galaya, I love you so much. Listen, I don't want to waste time. Are you married? Are you married? Just tell me the truth. Are you married?
No.